Welcome back to Car Explorer. Today we're diving deep into the all-new 2025 Jetour X70 Plus, a mid-size SUV that promises premium features, bold styling, and impressive performance, all at a competitive price. This model builds upon the success of its predecessors, offering enhanced technology, improved driving dynamics, and a refined design that sets it apart in its segment. Starting with the exterior, the Jetour X70 Plus 2025 showcases a modern and aggressive front fascia. The large chrome-accented grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights, gives the SUV a bold and sophisticated look. The front bumper is sculpted with sporty air intakes, adding to its dynamic presence on the road. Moving to the side profile, the X70 Plus features strong character lines that flow smoothly across the body, enhancing aerodynamics and aesthetics. The multi-spoke alloy wheels, available in 19-inch or 20-inch options, complement the SUV's muscular stance. At the rear, the connected LED taillights, along with a roof spoiler and dual exhaust outlets, contribute to a sporty yet elegant finish. Stepping inside, the interior of the Jetour X70 Plus 2025 is where the brand has truly stepped up its game. The cabin is wrapped in premium soft-touch materials, with leather upholstery and contrast stitching on higher trims. The dashboard design is sleek and minimalistic, featuring a large 15.6-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. The digital instrument cluster adds a futuristic touch, providing real-time vehicle information. Comfort is a priority, with spacious seating for up to 7 passengers. The front seats offer power adjustment, heating, and ventilation options, ensuring a luxurious driving experience. The panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, enhancing the sense of space. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom, along with dedicated climate control vents and USB charging ports for added convenience. Under the hood, the 2025 Jetour X70 Plus is powered by a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine that delivers 197 horsepower and 290 Nm of torque, paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. This combination ensures smooth acceleration and responsive power delivery, making city driving and highway cruising effortless. For those looking for more power, Jetour offers a 2.0-liter turbocharged variant producing around 254 horsepower, providing a sportier driving experience. The suspension system has been fine-tuned for comfort, absorbing road imperfections with ease, while the electronic power steering ensures precise handling. Fuel efficiency is another strong point, with an estimated consumption of 7.5 L per 100 kilometers, making it an economical choice for families and long-distance travelers. Safety has been a key focus in the Jetour X70 Plus 2025, with a suite of advanced driver assistance features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system for enhanced visibility. The SUV is also equipped with multiple airbags, a reinforced safety cage, and ISOFIX anchors for child seats, ensuring maximum protection for occupants. Now, let's talk about pricing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Explorer for more detailed car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.